My new collapsible water bottle is fantastic. It goes from this to about this in 2 seconds. It's travel friendly, leak proof, and you could travel with it anywhere. Simply collapse it. When you're ready to take it on the go, pop on the lid. It goes in your book bag. You could bring it to work, bring it to the gym, on dog walks, anywhere you go, camping, fishing. It's great for any activity. It's simply, you could use the wristband, simply put it on your wrist. It also comes with an extra wristband as well. It's easily washed. Simply open it up, expand it, and very easily washed. Cool color, very stylish, fits well around your wrist. And to close it, simply crush it, put the cap on, and there you go. Fits very easily inside my bag with my toothbrush, my razors. It's very travel friendly. Very easily taken with you. The front pocket, as well as the side pockets. Or you can hang it using the rope. It's great for those pool days. This collapsible water bottle is made from high quality food grade silicone, not high-end plastic TPC. I really like my collapsible water bottle. It is really fantastic. I bring it with me everywhere I go. It's leak proof, super easily cleaned, travel friendly, very lightweight, and I just love it.